Hi everyone. Today we're going to be talking about the Peperomia, red-edged Peperomia. Now for lighting, they do best in moderate to indirect sunlight. You can also use LED lights. Intense sun will burn the leaves. Put your plant pot by a filtered window. Watering, let your plant dry out. Some between waterings. Do not overwater your plant. Don't let your plant pot sit in water too long. This can cause root rot. You can also set your plant pot in a tray of pebbles with a little water in the tray. This will also give your plant some needed moisture. So what I have here is a tray, and I just put some water in there, just a little so it don't touch the bottom of the pot. This will help with needed moisture for your plant. You can also mist your plant only during the daytime. This will give your leaves a chance to dry out. Being wet at night could cause your leaves to turn brown or rot. With propagation, you can cut off a leaf, make sure it has a piece of stem on there, or you can just cut off a piece of the stem right under the node, right here. Take the cutting and put it in some water. You can take off the bottom leaves if you'd like, and also propagate them. And it takes about 3 to 6 weeks to propagate. You'll start seeing roots. I like putting it in water so I can see the roots as they start to grow. Also, this plant is non-toxic.